The best of the best. Phenomenal 4/4 golf course home in the Arbors in Cuscahuala on Lake Oconee. 3 main LVL suites West/PRVTBA's 4th suite on 2nd LVL features bunkroom nursery West/nook and artistic painting. Gourmet kitchen has all Viking appliances, custom cabinets and granite counters. GR offers stone fireplace, beam ceilings and built-ins. Lanai boasts stone fireplace and outdoor kitchen. Beautiful pond and golf course views from stone patio West/8-person spa and gorgeous landscaping. Master bedroom has fireplace and beam ceiling. Floor-to-ceiling glass sliding doors at rear of home to showcase the natural setting. 2-car plus 1 golf cart attached garage. Covered front porch. So much more in this lovely home. All furniture and furnishings Nico. Lease purchase option. Golf membership available.